Picture this. A spacecraft the size of a school bus latches onto a giant, tumbling space rock. Robotic arms drill into its surface, extracting precious metals and water for some distant alien civilization. But for us, for Earth, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. But believe it or not, scientists and engineers are already working on making asteroid mining a reality. The question is, will it ever actually happen? And if so, what would it take to pull off one of the most ambitious ventures in human history? Asteroids might look like boring chunks of rock floating in space, but some of them are literal gold mines, platinum mines. Actually, these space rocks are leftovers from the birth of our solar system, and many are packed with rare and valuable materials. We're talking about metals like platinum, gold, cobalt, and iron, as well as something even more crucial for space exploration: water. Why is water so valuable in space? Because it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, the key ingredients for rocket fuel. Imagine a future where spacecraft refuel at asteroid mining stations instead of lugging all their fuel from Earth. That could completely change how we explore the cosmos. But here's the mind-blowing part. Some asteroids contain so much metal that just one could be worth trillions of dollars. A single platinum-rich space rock might hold more of the metal than has ever been mined in human history. That's not just a financial game-changer, it could transform entire industries. Platinum is essential for everything from electronics to clean energy tech, like hydrogen fuel cells. If we could tap into an asteroid's resources, we might not need to dig up more of Earth's limited supply. So why aren't we doing this already? Well, asteroid mining is hard. First, you have to find the right asteroid, one that's both rich in resources and close enough to reach without spending a fortune. Then, you have to get there. Asteroids zip through space at tens of thousands of miles per hour, and even the nearest ones are millions of miles away. Landing on one is like trying to jump onto a speeding bullet while blindfolded. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, which successfully touched down on the asteroid Bennu in 2020, proved we can do it, but that was just to collect a small sample. Mining on a large scale, that's a whole different challenge. Once you've reached an asteroid, how do you actually extract the good stuff? On Earth, mining relies on gravity, heavy machinery, and massive processing plants. In space, there's no gravity to hold things down, no atmosphere to protect you, and no easy way to transport tons of material. Some ideas include using robotic drills, solar-powered furnaces to melt metals, or even capturing entire small asteroids and bringing them closer to Earth for processing. But all of these methods are still in the experimental stage. Then there's the biggest hurdle of all: cost. Right now, it's way cheaper to mine resources on Earth than to launch a mission to an asteroid. But that might not always be the case. Companies like SpaceX are driving down the cost of space travel with reusable rockets, and new technologies could make asteroid mining more efficient. If we reach a point where space metals are cheaper than Earth metals, especially for use in space, then asteroid mining could suddenly become a no-brainer. But wait, who even owns an asteroid? This isn't just a technical problem, it's a legal and ethical one too. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 says no country can claim ownership of celestial bodies, but it's fuzzy on whether private companies can mine them. The US and a few other countries have passed laws allowing their companies to keep what they extract, but not everyone agrees with this. If asteroid mining takes off, we could see political battles over who gets to profit from space resources. Despite all these challenges, the potential rewards are too huge to ignore. Beyond just making money, asteroid mining could help us become a true spacefaring civilization. Instead of launching everything we need from Earth at enormous cost, we could use space resources to build habitats on the Moon, refuel missions to Mars, or even construct giant space stations. Some scientists believe that asteroid mining isn't just a possibility, it's a necessity if we want to expand beyond our planet. So, will we ever mine asteroids? The short answer: yes, almost certainly. The real question is when. Some experts think we could see the first small-scale mining missions within the next 20 years, others believe it'll take much longer. But one thing's for sure, the race to mine space has already begun. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries have been working on the tech for years, and governments are paying attention. What do you think? Is asteroid mining the next giant leap for humanity, or is it just a futuristic fantasy? Would you invest in a company that's trying to mine space rocks? Let us know in the comments, and If you enjoyed this deep dive into the wild world of asteroid mining, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-expanding science content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.